This is Caravan Salon 2021 and the event is being set up. As you can see, this video is going to be in 3 minutes or less. It is the Rapido 896F, and if you want to get more information there will be a link below, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you around. As you can see, the sign with the information is, in fact that's probably the sign with the information telling you to use the sanitizer, but the signs with the information have not been put up yet, and I cannot remember all the prices, even lengths that matter, off the top of my head. Some of them I do remember. Anyway, this van here, clearly motorhome here, is somewhat luxurious at the back, and we've got this storage here, this bed, which I believe goes up and down. Let's have a look. Does it go up and down? It appears to do so. And you can close off the bedroom from the rest using that. There you go. One on this side as well. There you go. If you don't see the riffraff up front, and see the riffraff up front, we'll be sleeping in the bed over the cab. You can also close this door here and make yourself into a large toilet and shower combo, and you can see how smart you look in the mirror before you go out. One negative point is it's got a rather daft small drain hole, and that means, mind you, it does have, I'm just pointing this out, sorry, I'm going to take that back. It does have a small drain hole. It's not daft because you can actually, you've got a holder that goes in there. It gets all the bits that fall off your body and all the sand and the stones that seem to come in from nowhere every time you go camping anywhere. Don't know who brings it in. Could be the one that has 4 legs. Well, not necessarily, but anyway. No, it can't be the one that has 4 legs, because I no longer allow her to go into the back of the van. She sits up front. Anyway, that's my problems in life. Right, let's have a quick look around the back. And if you want to see more, do go to the link, please. Right, big garage at the back, and it's the entrance here to the garage is smaller, which is a pity in my opinion. Also pity in the opinion of the dog. Right, there you have it. Rapido 896F 2021 version, and thanks for watching.